In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all my commits for all time on Bitbucket. First, open Bitbucket in your browser and sign in with your Atlassian account. On the sign-in screen, if you normally authenticate with Google, click the Google option and choose your account to continue. Complete any verification prompts so you land in Bitbucket properly signed in. If you're part of multiple organizations, make sure you're in the correct workspace by checking the selector near the top of the sidebar. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and find Repositories. Click that to view the list of repositories you have access to within the workspace. If you don't immediately see what you need, use the search bar at the top of the repositories list to quickly locate it by name. Then click the repository you want to review. Inside the repository, you'll see several sections such as Source, Pull Requests, and Commits. Go ahead and click Commits. This page is where Bitbucket shows the full history for the currently selected branch in that repository. By default, you'll usually land on the main or default branch. If you want to see a different branch, use the branch dropdown near the top of the page to switch. The list is chronological, so the most recent commits appear first. To see your history across all time, just keep scrolling. Bitbucket will load older commits as you go. There's no need to adjust a date range because the commits page is designed to show the complete history for the branch unless you've applied filters. A helpful tip here, if the list feels cluttered, you can hide merge commits using the filter option on the commits page. This makes it easier to follow the straight line of work without the noise from merges. You can also search or filter by author if you wanted to focus on your own contributions within that repository and branch. If you work on multiple branches, repeat the same process for each branch you care about. As you review commits, click any entry to open its details. You'll see the commit message, the files changed, and the diff for each file, which is useful for tracking exactly what changed and why. If anything looks off, verify that you selected the intended repository and branch and confirm you're in the right workspace. That's it. By signing in, opening your repository, and using the commits view, you can see the complete commit history for the branch, filter out merge commits for clarity, and drill into changes whenever you need.